BoxyCharm July 2020 Choice Time Early Access. This video contains subscription box spoilers. This video is educated on spoiler alerts and product information. The July 2020 BoxyCharm Base Box Choice is now open. Boxy Luxe and BoxyCharm Premium and Luxe active subscribers and waitlisters. Now we have the BoxyCharm July 2020 Choice Time, and it is the early access doll faces. So we have right here across the screen, choose the item you want in your box. Which item will you be choosing? And the choice items for July are right here across the screen. Comment below, let me know which one you're picking. If you haven't signed up for BoxyCharm yet, the regular box is $25 a month. We also have a coupon code ADD12ALL to get $12 Boxy credit to shop the add-ons when you sign up for your subscription. And we do have the future BoxyCharm spoilers. So we do have a sneak peek for you guys right now. We have future spoilers, and we don't know which month this is, but I want to share with you guys. And this is a future BoxyCharm box, and it may include, and here's all the information across the screen. We have the Blush and Shine kit. It's originally $42 and it's vegan, it's oil-free, and let me tell you, I love this. And it comes with a little mirror. Look how cute. I really hope this is a future spoiler for BoxyCharm. Comment below, let me know what you think of the Blush and Shine kit. Now another future spoiler is the Set and Define kit. It's originally $42 too off the website. It's vegan, oil-free, cruelty-free. Look at this. It also has a mirror as well. Comment below, let me know what you think. So what do you think of the spoilers? It's future spoilers, possible spoilers, maybe spoilers. BoxyCharm is $25 a month. BoxyCharm Premium is $35 a month. Boxy Luxe is $49.99 per quarter. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already done so. I'll see you guys in my very next video.